Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be learning how to get money the easy way in Adopt Me. But make sure to like and subscribe before we begin. Now, let's get into it! Hello guys, let's go and get to our house. Okay, so what you're gonna do is So basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have parties. And when people come to your party, you make them spend stuff for cool items and accessories. Anyways, first, you want to spruce up your place. So I am going to spruce up my place. 3, 2, 1, Timelapse. If you want to go and keep your bedroom and shower, you can, but I wouldn't recommend it. This is your party house. Okay, I am back. I have finished deleting all of my stuff. So now, what I recommend is have one part for you and your guests, and one part for just you. So I would recommend going to stuff, going to glass shapes, and then getting the medium wall panel. And then you can place it wherever you like. So you can either place it up here like this, or you can place it further back. What I'm probably gonna do is I am probably gonna do something like this. I am not going to make this anything yet and just leave it up to you to see what you decide. But what we are going to do is this is a real money maker. So what we need to do is we are going to make an obby. And I'm like, and you might be like, what? That sounds crazy. How are you supposed to make an obby in such a little house like this? Well, what you do is Adopt Me has this very specific glitch. What you can do is you just go and type in share, okay? Now keep this between me and you, because we don't want Adopt Me finding out about this glitch. But anyways, what you're supposed to do is you can put it wherever you want. You can put a small chair, okay? And then we are gonna try to make this chair go on the outside, okay? So basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get through the wall. Now there's a lot of different methods to do this per se, but what you can do is you'll go and grab just a plain shape. You need a floor piece. Yes, you can make floors now. I love this new update that, well, it didn't just come out, but it's very good. Anyways, what we're gonna do is we're gonna lock this position, okay? And then you can go through the wall a little bit better. So now you have a little place. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna come with a chair, and then we're just gonna go. We're gonna try to get it out there. That should work. If it doesn't, I have a second method. Okay, then what we're gonna do is we are going to go to Edit House, Stuff, and you're gonna get a chair again. So now you're sitting in your chair and it's very close to the wall. You are good. So you can see outside, right? That also means that you can place a chair outside. Okay. Now guys, what we gotta do is guess what? We now have the glitch. What we can do is we can go to stuff and just move this, drag this chair over a little bit so it lines up a little bit better. And guess what we can do, guys? We can glitch outside of our house. No cap, we can do this. So this is where we are gonna build our obby. Okay, guys? So what we're gonna do is you can make it any obby that you like. It can be easy, it can be hard, it can be whatever you like. But what I really recommend is I recommend to go and do just a hard obby because you want to give them an incentive, a reward. So you would have to get some type of incentive, whether that's food or toys or something. But if you don't usually want to give them a bunch of that stuff. So you would make it pretty hard. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a really hard obby, okay? So this is a really quick obby. It's not like a very long obby, so it will be easier. You can make your obby whatever you like, but I'm just gonna show you a really simple obby. So you can say, congrats, you have won the obby. Go to the house for prize from, and then you can put your username. You can do something like that. It doesn't have to be that, but that's a solid thing. Okay, now what we're gonna do is I will see you back at the house. And let's just spruce up your door a little bit, okay? Let's just put this a little bit lower to the ground. Put that a little bit lower to the ground. And then, let's go to stuff and type in door. Have a door. And then you'll be able to tell people once they buy the obby to claim a reward how to get through, which I basically usually say for all the obbies, sit in wall. I know, as hilarious as it sounds, almost all my guests, only one guest has not figured it out, so it's pretty easy. And then if they go and sit here, which they always do, just say other sit, and then they'll see this over here and they'll be like, oh yeah, you're supposed to sit in there. And then you'll jump out. So then do the obby. You gotta make sure that it's clear for your guests though. And now your place is looking marvelous. Anyways, what we are gonna do is we're just gonna go to the fan. Right there. Okay. Now, this is your house. Congratulations, you are almost done. Now, all you need to do to actually make some money is the most important part of them all. Drum roll, please. The cash register. So just type in cash register. Okay. time lapse of decorating the house. So you need a pizza place or bigger to host a party. Now, as you can see, I already made my example video. So what we're gonna do, if you have a house or bigger, which you will because I'll put it in the introduction, make a party that way. Make a title like Obby, Toy, Prize, or Obby, Prize, or something like that. Some incentive in the title. And then say Obby. And then how much money it is. So I'll say $50. Obby, $50. And then you say, if you complete it, you get a prize. And that would be a very good title and to get people's attention. But if we can't do that, we can do it a second way. Which if you do not have the house, what you can do is you can go and get a vehicle, okay? So I'll just use my magical unicorn unicycle, and we're gonna go to the trading area. And we're gonna go and make a party. Now guys, if it is you are not gonna have a small house, you'll have a bigger house, because it will be in the title. Who wants to go to my party? It has a Obby that is $50, and if you complete it, you win a prize. Follow me if you want to do it. Period. We have got the person at our party. Now you gotta talk to him. Hi. Hi. And just get him to buy your Obby. So be like, would you like to do the Obby? And then if they pay you $50, then say, sit in wall. Sit in wall. Other sit. And just do that. Oh. Yes, and once they have it, if they do get it, then you will sit inside and you will watch them and you will see if they complete it. Or cheater. And if they cheat, no prize. No prize. Cause you cheat. Cause you cheat. You see this? That is them cheating. So what you gotta do is you gotta call them out and then they'll come back and redo it. Usually. Do it and do it the right way. Sometimes they do it the bad way and they kind of like mess up and stuff. But most of the time they do it the right way. Okay, guys. We are going to end it off here today. The lady sadly did not come back, which is very devastating at most. But you have learned how to make money and adopt me the easy way. And make sure not to make your house a small house like I did, because that is not a good method. But what is a good method is this method. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!